Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Friday, July 1st. I hope everybody is getting geared up for a long holiday weekend. This is your morning market update. Stock market right now down about 139 on the Dow last I looked. Mortgage-backed securities are carrying their positive momentum from the last couple of days, up about 50 basis points the last that I checked a few moments ago. It looks like the Treasury yield, which usually the 10-year Treasury is a good indicator of what mortgage rates are doing. So the 10-year Treasury has been consistently above 3% for an extended period of time, which has been indicative of mortgage rates going up as well. And now the 10-year Treasury has actually dropped below 3% for the first time in a little bit. So mortgage rates are following suit. Not significantly, but there's definitely some positive price improvement over the course of the last couple of days. Probably about 1/8% lower than where we started the week, maybe even potentially 1/4% in some instances. So we'll keep you updated on that. I think the primary reason for that is there's been some revisions to the gross domestic product estimates for the second quarter of 2022. I mentioned that earlier this week. That's the basically the kind of the figure for economic growth of our nation, and the textbook definition for a recession is typically when you have two quarters back to back that showed negative growth. The first quarter of this year showed negative growth. The projections by the Atlanta Federal Reserve was that for the second quarter of 2022, that the GDP was going to be zero growth. Now they've revised that projection to -1% growth. That would put us at, basically that was the case. That would put us at two consecutive quarters of basically GDP or negative numbers contraction, if you will, of the economy, which would, for all intents and purposes, indicate that we're in a recession at that point. Mortgage rates, a lot of times during a recession, will come back down. Stocks obviously don't fare well in a recession. That's why I think the stock numbers today are down and mortgage-backed securities are actually rallying. So we'll continue to keep you updated. I hope that everybody has a fantastic July 4th weekend. Have fun, be safe. We'll see you next week. Thanks so much.